What's up, kiddos? It's CAMILLE DEADRA and I'm back with another video. Today's video is a Delta box video. Y'all know y'all love these. I love these. I love getting the boxes. The box that I have right now is the May box. I'm so excited to show you guys. I saw a sneak peek of it on Twitter and it was going ham about one thing in the box. And then my mom, you know, she gets her box before me. She said that everything in the box is really wearable and she loves that. So I just can't wait to see what's in the box. And y'all, I really do change up my hair every video. Do y'all like my braids? I like them. They look good, don't they? Okay. Anyways, let's get on to the Delta box. Okay, so you guys already know the drill. Open up and I show you guys what's inside. This is what it looks like. They've been pretty consistent with how the box looks lately. So that's cute. Open it up with you guys. Okay, it says, be fearless, be authentic, be bravely you. Booyah, that must be the one for the month. Okay, so what comes in the box is a denim shirt, a bucket hat, and a black t-shirt. Okay, I'm excited. Okay, this is what it looks like when I first open it. It's the bucket hat that everybody on Twitter was going crazy for. I'm so excited. This is definitely about to be a vibe for the summer, period. First, I'm gonna be honest, I'm not even into bucket hats, but a lot of people have been wearing them and they look good in them, so. Okay, so this is what the bucket hat looks like. I'm gonna just, look at that. Cutie! And it's also reversible. So it looks like this. He could wear it like this. This is cute. I like it. I'm gonna wear it like this though. I seen everybody wear it like this because it's different, you know? Let me do. Oh yeah, let me go to the pool with my little Delta hat on, okay? Yeah. Okay, this braid is killing me. Yes, ma'am. That's cute. I like that. Okay. I like this hat. I do. Okay, let's get on to the next thing. It is the black shirt. Y'all, I love me a good shirt. I don't know why, but I be really excited when I show you guys these things. I don't know if y'all are excited as me when I open up these stuff, but I hope you guys are. Hopefully you can feel the energy through the screen, you know? I love shirts. Y'all, this might be in my next shirt. In my next video, this shirt might be in there. Black mixed with crimson and cream since 1913. I like how that looks. And the quality feels really good. It's like, can you guys see it? It's like, I want to say sweat proof. You guys know that the material is like mesh, but it's cotton. It's kind of like that. That's how it feels. Mesh with a hint of cotton. Oh, and I love when they put stuff like this on the side. It just seals it in the deal. Just seals the deal when they put stuff like this on the side of your shirts. That's cute. You already know they got their brand on the tag, and you know I love when they do that. Cute. And then they gave us a denim shirt. My mom actually loves this. This is probably her favorite thing. She wore it like the next day when she got it. This is so cute. Oh my God. I have a fit for this already in mind. Go ahead and follow me on the gram because I'm probably going to post it after I put it on. This is so cute. Look at this. The stitching of Delta Sigma Theta Sorority Incorporated. Girl. This is so cute. I love this. Oh, this is so cute. I love this. Look at this. Beautiful. And you guys already know when I'm showing you guys the items, I will have myself right here in the items so you guys can see what it looks like on a person's body. You already know how I do. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so you can become a kiddo. Guys, we hit 1K and I'm so happy. It's only up from here and I'm so excited that you guys are a part of the Kiddo Squad. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!